Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from your Bybit account to Binance. Let's get started. First, open Binance app. Then tap on Add Funds. Now, tap on Deposit Crypto. Then choose USDT as the coin. Then, choose the correct network, like TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Make sure the network you pick is the same one you'll use on Bybit to avoid losing your funds. Now, copy the USDT deposit address shown on Binance. Now, minimize Binance and open the Bybit app. In the Bybit app, go to the Assets section, then tap on Withdraw. Next, search for USDT as the coin you want to withdraw. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Select the same network you chose on Binance. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. After that, complete any required security verifications, like your email code, SMS code, or 2FA, to confirm the withdrawal. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.